Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to buy Google share at 445 rate. So the app we are going to be using in this video is cheaper app and your regular Nigeria bank. So anything you watch in this video is just for educational purpose. Make sure you do your own research. So first thing you need to do is, you see I don't have money in this account. I'm going to add money in this account. I'm just going to copy this, then I'm going to go to my UBA account to add money. So I'm going to add money to my account. Now I've deposit 500 into my account. Just show demonstration how you will need to buy this Google share on this app at bank rate at 445 naira at $1. So just to do this practically, step by step, how to do this. Then I'm going to go to this investment section over here, invest. I'm going to find this Google share, like Google. Where is the Google? No, I can't find Google. I'm going to go with this Apple shares over here. The market is closed. I'm just going to minimize, go back. I'm going to go with this McDonald's. The market is closed, so I can just input the money. As you can see, 445 naira is equivalent of $1 if I want to buy this share. I'm just going to press next. So this is the amount share, approximately the share I'll be getting. I'll be getting a share of 0.0036768721. So it's less than one share. So the actual one share of this price is 119,494 naira. So that's actually the share. So I was able to buy a worth of 440 share. So the price they charge me 4 naira for the fees. So I'm just going to press schedule buy. So now your order to buy McDonald's has been placed successful. So that's how you can do this basically. If I press done, if I come to over here this home, as you can see, the money has been deducted. If you see over here, you see McDonald's, like your purchase, like they deduct 455 naira in my order. So the order is going to be placed at 1:53 p.m. today when the market open. So I just used 445 naira on this video to do its demonstration. If you have more than 1,000, 100,000, you can buy share on this app, the same process. So that's how you can do this. If you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Like the video.